A special morning assembly on the inspiring theme Failure to Success was conducted on 2nd May 2025 at Birla Public School, Ganganagar. The purpose of the assembly was to highlight how failures are not the end but stepping stone towards success. The assembly began with a morning prayer, followed by a thought of the day emphasizing perseverance and resilience.
Honesty is the fastest way to prevent a mistake from turning into a failure.
A short skit was then performed by the student of class 10th B, portraying the journey of famous personalities like Thomas Edison and J.K. Rowling, who turned their failures into milestones of success.
Thomas, remember to read, observe everything and never stop questioning.
Why do some things explode when mixed?
Maybe ask before mixing next time, but never stop questioning.
Mr. Edison, this is the 973rd attempt. Maybe it's time to stop now.
No, not at all. I just learned 973 ways not to make a light bulb. I'm getting closer.
You did it. It works.
I didn't do it. I had a mother who always taught me that failure is just a step towards success.
This was followed by a motivational speech by Yashkirat, who shared real-life examples and encouraged everyone to see failures as a learning opportunity.
Failure. It's a word they use to silence you, to shame you. But here's the truth. They are too afraid to say out loud. Failure is not the end, it's the entrance. The entrance to greater than comfort, greater than approval, greatness itself.
A poem on never giving up was also recited, adding a creative touch to the theme.
Beneath the weight of every fall, where silence shouts the broken call, there lies a scene, unseen, unsung, a story whispered, yet bigger. The dreams that crack beneath the strain, the hopes once drowned in sheets of rain, are not the end, but ground made bare for something greater taking care.
The principal addressed the gathering, appreciating the efforts of the students and reinforcing the idea that persistence and a positive mindset led to success.
Always try to plan yourself for the best day to come, and your best day is not a day which is next. Every moment you can utilize in the way so that your spirit can always be very light, and you may be able to remain thankful to your own self that whatever time has gone, you need to have a lot of reasons to take pride of that, and this is the best way to live in your present.
The assembly concluded with the national anthem. Overall, the assembly left a powerful message. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Birla Public School, Ganganagar, a step ahead.